how to withdraw money from RedotPay. So if you want to withdraw money from RedotPay, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your RedotPay application. After opening your RedotPay, you need to just simply go with Add Funds, which will be on the top left. Once you tap on Add Funds, you need to go with On-Chain Deposit, which will be right here. Select your deposit, and then you can go and select USDT. Once you've selected that, now you can go and simply choose your network, which is TRC20. After that, you will have your deposit address. You need to copy your deposit address. Once you've copied your address, you need to open up your Binance or any other platform where you want to withdraw your money, and then just simply go with withdraw, and then go and tap on withdraw on chain, which will be on the bottom. You need to select your withdraw method, and then go and select the same network that we've selected previously, which is TRON. After that, here you need to paste the address that we've just copied before, and then enter your amount, and then just simply go with withdraw, which will be on the bottom, and you'll be able to withdraw your money from RedotPay. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.